run this and let's see what happens. So it has just generated a 12-digit password here. Now if you want to generate a more longer password, let's type 20 here and run this, and this has now generated 20 characters length of a long password. So let's see what we are doing here. So we are just importing string and secrets. So we'll be using secrets to generate or to choose random digits instead of random, because secrets is cryptographic strength random numbers and strings generator or chooser. So we just have a function here that takes a parameter called password length. The default value is 12, so if you don't pass anything here, it will create a password of length 12. And here we are just initializing three variables that has all the ASCII letters. These letters will contain everything from A, B, C, D to everything, and digits will contain all the digits, and special characters will contain all the punctuation. So if you want to see what is there in all three, let's just print this, right? And let's see what do we have here. So we have now printed all three, and then in alphabet we are combining all three. We are adding letters, digits, and special characters. Let's print this also, and we are initializing our password string that is empty right now, and initially our password strength will be false. So we will be checking if our password is strong or not. So we will only return strong passwords, and if a password is weak, it will not return weak passwords. So we are always generating strong passwords. Now how do we check if the password is strong or not? The first what we do is we create a loop for the specific password length. So if the password length is 12, this loop will be run 12 times. If it is 20, this loop will be run 20 times. So if I pass 50 here, this loop will be run 50 times, and if I don't pass anything, it will be run 12 times, because default password length is set to 12. Okay, so first time it is choosing a random character from this alphabet string, and all the 12 times it will choose something random from this alphabet, and after that we check if there is a special character or not, and we check if we have numbers or not. So we need to have one character that is special, and we need to have at least two numeric numbers. If those two are met, then our password is said to be true. You can add your own conditions here to make it even more harder, and you can check if there is at least one small character or if there is at least one uppercase character, and only then you can consider the password to be true. So if the password is true, we return password. Okay, if the password is not true, our loop will continue and it will generate another password. So let's run this and let's see what is printed. So this time, as you can see, first this is printed. There is all the letters are printed, and then all the digits are printed, this one, and then all the punctuation marks are printed, that is this one, and finally we create alphabet string that contains the sum of all these three things, right? And then we are randomly choosing numbers from this alphabet. We are randomly choosing characters from this for how many times? For 12 times, that is passed here. And if all this criteria are met, we are returning the password, and then we are printing the password. So this is our password. Let's say we want to create a 20 digit long or 20 characters long password. We just pass 20 here and run this, and this time our 20 character long password is printed. So you can easily just pause the video and write this code, and your password generator will be ready. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll help you out.